You'll have love at first sight with the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane keeping assist, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors, stability control, split bench seat, intermittent wipers, traction control, daytime running lights. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.